Everything grows constantly.
So, tingnan nyo guys, ito yan. May bag tayo, tapos meron tayong grocery bag. Yeah! So, ako muna yung videographer nila guys, kasi wala nagbibideo sa aming tatlo. Hindi kami makakapag-video, kaya ako muna yung actually ako muna yung videographer. Kasi gusto ko makapture itong moment na ito. Dahil ito yung first time ng aking hipag na dali namin siya dito sa public market. Yahoo! So ako muna si videographer right now. Bye-bye! So, dito na kami sa palengke. Ayan, ito yung public market dito. Tignan nyo guys, meron pa doon. Tapos doon. Tapos yan. Tapos meron silang mga ganito guys. Diba? Tapos meron silang green onions. Yan. Mas mura dito kaysa sa mall guys. Tapos meron din sila yan. Tapos yahoo! Meron din sila yan. Yeah.
Good green onion.
Yeah.
Snack with them.
So yan guys. Napaka-fresh ng green onions nila. Yeah. Hi, what is?
Celery. We have lots of celery.
Yeah, we have lots. So yan guys. Hello. So yan, ako muna ang videographer nila guys kasi gusto ko makapture tong moment na ito. At dito yung laging nagbebenta sa amin, si ate sales lady. Tapos yan.
Oh, no, maybe you're right. Yeah. Banana flour. Banana
Yeah.
flour.
Heart. It's the heart of banana. So sunod tayo sa kanila guys. Hello po. Here honey. Hello.
No, we don't need it. Yeah, get a couple ingredients.
30 pesos. So yan, ito yung first time ng aking hipag na magpunta dito sa palengke. Palengke ng Pilipinas. Yan, public market here in Philippines. Yan. Diba? So yahoo! Lemons! Ooh, honey here. So yan, meron din silang mga ganyan, mga mantika, yan, soy sauce, ketchup, patis, ayan, tapos meron silang sibuyas, bawang. Yan, yung aking hipag ay nagtitingin-tingin na. Honey, in Canada,
Yeah.
do you have this, like this? Like public market like this in Canada?
I don't know, Gail, do we have public markets like this in Canada?
Mama niya, te.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yung mama niya.
Yeah.
No. Sister.
Yeah, we do, but it's 5 times the cost.
5 times? Wow. But like this, like, you know.
I don't know. Mainly in Safeway.
Okay.
On Granville Island. Go to Granville Island.
Just go here in Philippines instead.
I want to get some open.
So yan. So nagtitingin-tingin ng aking sister-in-law.
Apat na lalaki yan sa kanilang dalawang
Yan.
motorsiklo
Pinasyal namin siya dito sa public market. You okay, husband ko? You good, you good, you good.
These are beans.
Yeah, green
Good for
bean.
sticking in your ears. Or your nose. Healthy.
Magkapatid sila.
Protein.
Yeah,
Plant protein in beans.
plant protein.
Protein. Plant protein, really good.
Yeah, see?
For all.
Mistress. Ate is asking me if that is my husband. Honey, Ate is asking me if you're my husband. I said, I'm your mistress. Diba? Guys, tanong ni ate kung asawa daw ba ako nito. Sabi ko, mistress ako. Ang bad ko guys, ang bad ko. Hindi pa joke lang. Ano, husband ko po. Hindi pa ako mistress. Joke lang yun. Baka maniwala si ate. Ay, naku. Sa tuwing pong ano, yan. You okay, Sister Gail? Yeah. Singkamas? Ah, you like? Yeah, meron po kayo? Opo. Yun. Sige po. Pwede po buksan yun?
27.
Okay. Yeah. I think we can open it, Sister Gail. Yeah.
Gusto nyo yung isang bundle?
May isang bundle.
Mura yan.
Ganyan. Ay, hindi. Masyadong madami. Konti lang. Yeah, you can break it, Sister Gail. Yeah. And then, you can get how many do you like? Yes, yeah. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. That one. Yeah, wow. Okay. Yeah.
Pick him up.
See, Sister Gail likes it also.
Likes it. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I want to capture this moment. It's really, it's really good. Yeah.
Okay, second the same. 151
151 kilo?
70.
70 pesos.
Happy Tuesday mga mare at pare! May bagong bumisita sa
What
bahay
only,
ni
ma'am?
Kuya.
Wala rin,
Sa
ma'am.
episode ng mga Big Brother sa Labihiko
43 pesos.
ang naging
So alam din pala ni Sister Gail ang singkamas.
Sanya Lopez. Sumalang si Sanya with 5 male
Nice peppers, but we have lots of peppers.
Yeah, we have lots.
In the end, ang nagwagi ng merienda.
Maybe. Oh, garlic.
We can get garlic. Let's get garlic.
Gusto ko na, mas makilala pa sila.
Look at these peppers.
Do we need more peppers?
Housemate,
I don't use them, but you like them? Yeah, get some. Calamansi. Yeah, they're like little mini limes.
Sister Gail is really good. Alam niya yung mga dito sa Pinas. Si Sister Gail knows about calamansi.
Yeah, calamansi.
And singkamas.
Camas.
Singkamas, Sister Gail knows about it.
Remember the lasagna?
Calamansi and singkamas. Hindi alam niyo yung singkamas, no?
Honey, do we have any onions? I think we're...
Just get to make sure. Samantala yung asawa ko, di alam. Hindi niya alam, samantalang siya alam niya.
Baka gusto niya ginisang bagoong.
Yun nga lang, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. Gusto ko nga pakainin ng mga pang-Pilipino. Kaso, ayaw niya.
March 30.
i-discard ang mga gamit.
Thank you, honey, here. This is a plastic. Okay. Okay.
Small ones or big ones?
Ayan. Ito yung
April 4 ng hapon nang ipag-blocker ito sa Davao City Police. Ayon sa kaanak na nananaling leader, nag-request umano si
Hi Ates! Ano masasabi mo? May customer ka mga foreigner.
Siyempre, thank you. Thank you, ate. Maraming salamat.
Hindi sanay mag-vlog si ate.
sa mismong barangay. Through video call,
Okay guys, bye-bye na. So see you in my next vlog. Go to go. So, yan si Sister Gail and this is my husband. Hey, honey, you good?
Salmon? Salmon. Salmon?
Oh,
Salmon belly.
Salmon. Salmon.
1 kilo, sir. 1 kilo. Salmon. Sigang.
Masana yung kanya kayo pagpasdampot niya po punot niya.
Kind of starving, huh? For hair. Water, they need water.
Punot niya. Manang-mana sa tatay. Oo, okay mo. Masana damit niya.
What are these?
I think that's the mussel. Salmon belly, right? This one.
Salmon snake. Want a salmon snake?